and releases and procedures from the manufacturer. Right, so if we start with the basics, always we're gonna get proprietary information. We've got the 1077, this is a DEF metering bulb showing a short circuit to the positive. I can jump into the freeze frame data. I can see priority on my system. Warning lapse is active. My system state is showing a permanent status fault code, and also registries of the first and last occurrence of my fault code. I can also click right here, helping components of the fault code, and I can see the CY9 is the metering bulb that is involved into this situation. And if I'm not sure about this component, I can quickly jump in here and see additional information, and I can see how those picture of the metering bulb looks into this engine. I can see references and location on my engine after treatment system. I can quickly jump into the electrical wiring schematics as well. I just need to choose the system variant and configuration so I can access to these technical resources, right? And as you can see, I'm gonna show a full list of components that are connected to our main management control unit. As you can see, we've got the CY9, it's the metering bulb, pinout 1 to the 26, and pinout 2 goes to the 47 on my engine management control unit, right? I can also see the ports, pinouts, power supply voltages coming down the lines right here, and a whole list of components that might help our team of mechanics identify any information. Measurements, we've got system displays on these Lloyd's engines. We're going to be able to access to fuel system displays if we're working on a TCD 2.9 4 inline, or if we're working on a TCD 4.1, 6.1, or 6.8 in line 6. Right, I can quickly jump into the fuel system display. I'm going to see the common rail. I'm going to measure pressure sensors, RPMs, and also we're going to be checking fuel volume rates and so forth and so on. I can even access to the after treatment system as well. I can check the temperatures and pressure sensors on the DPF or DOC. I can check the DEF pump and DEF injectors. Also, SCR catalytic converter with the ammonia catalytic converter is also available on the system. I can even access to manual selections. I can just quickly select pressure or temperature sensors. If you take a look, take a peek right here, I can click these little gadgets, be able to see manufacturers and information. The ranges, operational values are also standardized by the manufacturer. I can even graph, right? This is a little bit for the live measurements and monitoring. I want set limp home RPMs. On the maintenance side, we can run regens, right? We can do thermal conditioning and desulfurization process for the SCR. We can reset the ash level and soot contents on the particular filter, and also take the machine out of inducement mode for about 10 minutes so we can run any maintenance on the after treatment system components, replacement of components as well, PRV, exhaust after treatment system, and oil change all available.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.